Inspiration rarely checks your calendar. Critical ideas hit you away from your desk, walking the dog, getting coffee, or caught in a crowded commute. But reaching into your pocket for a quick internet search usually leads to a dead end. Standard mobile browsers are built for quick facts, returning surface-level SEO-optimized fluff instead of verified deep insights. Achieving actual world-class research has traditionally demanded a heavy physical toll. Hours chained to a workstation, manually sifting through dense documents, verifying citations, and cross-referencing disparate data sources. And even if you manage to compile all that research, you hit another wall. Knowing the answer doesn't execute the task. You still have to manually draft the script, format the email, and schedule the communications. We can now build a fully automated pipeline that bridges the gap between a stray thought and complete business execution. This is a system that moves from input to process to output without you ever needing to open a browser. By systematically stripping away the friction between your initial curiosity and the final deliverable, you untether your operational capacity from a physical workstation. Your output scales entirely independently of your location. The engine of this system relies on Google's Notebook LM. It operates as a highly specific, zero-cost intelligence platform that can process and hold up to 300 separate, massive data sources at a single time. Instead of just returning search links, it autonomously synthesizes that raw data. It generates fully cited research documents, multi-speaker audio overviews, and highly detailed infographics on demand. But Notebook LM is stuck on your desktop. To make it mobile, we use Hermes, a specialized AI agent running directly inside Telegram. Hermes acts as the universal communicator, putting the ears and mouth of this massive intelligence system right in your pocket. Connecting them requires a brief technical bridge. By passing a custom skill script and secure authentication cookie, Hermes bypasses standard interfaces to query Notebook LM directly. Drop a casual voice note into Telegram and instantly command your agent to mine hundreds of documents to answer specific questions. By linking a mobile chat interface to a massive custom vector database, you upgrade a standard chatbot into an elite, dedicated researcher that travels with you anywhere on the planet. Gathering vast amounts of knowledge is only half the equation. If you want to scale your output, you need a mechanism that actually takes action on that research. This is where the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, comes into play. It acts as the critical bridge connecting your AI's intelligence to external applications through a powerful automation platform called N8N. Feeding a secure N8N access token into the Hermes terminal grants your agent control to trigger workflows. When Hermes pulls an insight, it autonomously pushes data into N8N to draft scripts, schedule reminders, or format emails. Imagine you are walking down a busy street and ask Hermes to analyze your latest YouTube strategy notebook. The system instantly retrieves the data, formats insights into a structured report, and dispatches it to your client. By anchoring the intelligence pipeline to an execution layer, your AI stops merely reporting on the digital world. It actively manipulates it on your behalf. The peak capability of this entire stack involves stepping away from manual prompting entirely. We can transition the pipeline to run on continuous scheduled autonomy. Imagine setting a strict 8 a.m. trigger. Every single morning, without you lifting a finger, the system wakes up and reviews the casual ideas and voice notes you dropped into Telegram over the last 24 hours. It then takes those raw thoughts, independently queries your Notebook LM database, and synthesizes the findings into a highly structured custom audio podcast and a detailed visual infographic. Finally, the N8N layer grabs those freshly generated assets, packages them into a beautifully formatted email, and drops them into your inbox right as you sit down for your morning coffee. This continuous loop from thought to execution operates around the clock at zero financial cost, allowing a single user to scale their output indefinitely. The highest leverage in the modern digital economy doesn't come from working longer hours at a keyboard. It comes from meticulously connecting the right automated nodes to build a frictionless, omnipresent pipeline.